Like herding cats, idiom. The idiom like herding cats is used to describe a situation that is extremely difficult to control or manage. This phrase comes from the idea that cats are independent and unpredictable animals, making it nearly impossible to get them to move in the same direction or follow instructions. Examples: workplace scenario. Imagine trying to get a group of creative professionals to agree on a single design. Each person has their own vision and ideas, making it feel like herding cats. Classroom setting. A teacher trying to get a group of young children to sit quietly and pay attention might say, "Managing these kids is like herding cats." Family gathering. Organizing a large family reunion where everyone has different schedules and preferences can be described as like herding cats. Tips for remembering. Visualize cats. Picture a group of cats running in different directions. This mental image can help you remember the chaos and difficulty implied by the idiom. Relate to a personal experience. Think of a time when you had to manage a group of people or tasks that were hard to control. Relating the idiom to your own experiences can make it more memorable. Use analogies. Compare it to other similar idioms or phrases you know, such as like nailing jelly to a wall or like trying to catch smoke. These comparisons can reinforce the meaning. Practice. Try using the idiom in sentences when describing difficult situations. The more you use it, the more natural it will become. I hope it helps you understand and remember the idiom like herding cats. That's all for now. Bye.